Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Real Canadian Superstore site or app and selecting Create Account. This gets you into the registration flow immediately. Have your email, phone number, and postal code ready because the form verifies location and sends a code you must enter. Once you choose desktop versus mobile, you'll see slightly different layouts. Pick the interface you prefer. Make sure to use a primary email. You'll receive confirmations and password resets there, so accuracy speeds the rest. You now fill the detailed fields: full name, an email you control, and a strong password following the site's rules. This prevents later lockouts. Next, enter your phone number and watch for the verification code. Type it promptly so your session doesn't time out. When prompted about PC optimum or loyalty linking, decide now because linking saves points automatically. You can also skip and add later. Once done, accept terms and privacy, so the system allows account creation and moves you forward. You finish by clicking the email verification link and signing in to confirm the account. This finalizes credentials and unlocks ordering. Once signed in, go to Profile to add delivery addresses, payment cards, and the PC Optimum number so you earn points automatically. If something goes wrong, like no email or invalid code, first check spam and resend the code. If that fails, try an alternate email or phone number and retry verification, because most issues are resolved by using a different contact method.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.